Well, Ontarians have been digging out after last week's brutal snowstorm. A hospital in Newmarket says that it had an unprecedented number of people show up to the ER suffering heart attacks while shoveling the snow last week. At Southlake Health, doctors and nurses monitor patients who are being treated for cardiac arrest. The hospital is seeing a dramatic rise in cases after last week's major snowstorms, responding to 34 heart attacks linked to shoveling the snow between February 12th to 20th.
This is a little unprecedented, and it was just, it was really nonstop.
The patients ranging in age with some in their 40s, their 50s, and their 60s, who began feeling symptoms of a heart attack after shoveling their driveways.
They exert themselves very intensely, and they're really not used to it. It's kind of like running up a hill when you haven't done any running at all. And so the amount of stress on your heart is actually quite extreme. So it can cause your blood pressure to go up very quickly. It can cause your body to need a lot of oxygen in a hurry, and that causes your heart rate to rise very quickly.
February is Heart Month in Canada, a time to raise awareness about the importance of cardiovascular health. The Heart and Stroke Foundation says that in the winter months, cases of cardiac arrest rise by 10%. And knowing the symptoms can be life-saving. It includes chest pain, shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting, and pain that can spread down to the arm, the jaw, or for women, in their back and their shoulders.
The heart is a very sophisticated pump, and it is a muscle. And when the heart starts to struggle, time is muscle. And it is so important to seek out prompt care so as to preserve the integrity of your heart muscle. And I think with, how climate change is going, and, no two winters are created equal in Canada anymore, I think it's important for us to remember that.
While the winter isn't over just yet, medical experts say that it is important to listen to your body if you are out shoveling again, and if you are experiencing symptoms of a heart attack, to call 911 immediately. For City News in Newmarket, I'm Alessandra Carneiro.